Hello friends, in this video I want to show a brief overview of the custom form feature and how you can use it to create custom coding forms. So as you probably know, when you want to start a new coding match, you can click on the button and choose an existing template. For today's video, I want to highlight the custom form template. If we click on that, we'll get a new game started. Let's go for NBA Rockets versus Clippers, and click create and begin. And so with the custom form template, we can see that we've got 4 buttons here and a special and a period. So where do these buttons come from and how can we change them? Well, let's look up in the profile, the user profile section. If we click in there, we can see this tab item called form builder. I'm going to click into there and we'll see the 4 buttons that we saw on the form available here in the form builder. So I can change these buttons on the fly, and when I do, you can see down in the form preview that this button 1 has changed with the text that I updated it to. So we can create buttons using this simple text, and we can get a form preview of what our form is going to look like. At the moment, all the buttons are on one line. If I want to separate them onto rows, I can hit enter. We see an empty button come up here. But if I add 2 dashes, it'll insert the buttons below those dashes into a new row. So I can create sections using these 2 dashes. So let's create a fairly typical kind of form here. Let's go goal 4, goal against. Let's create a new section. We'll create APC, DPC. Let's go circle entry. Let's go circle 4 and circle against. Let's got an extra space in there. So I've got 3 rows with my buttons on it. I'm going to press save now. Now, when I'm back in my matches panel and I'm going to use my template to create a new match, let's go custom form, new game. We'll do the same, NBA Rockets Clippers, create, begin. And now we see that we've got our buttons here that we created using the custom form editor. Just one thing I want to highlight, I'm going to use some of the browser tools here in Chrome and inspect the page, and so that I can put it into mobile view. And you can see that these forms display quite friendly on a mobile phone, and that's the way they're designed. So typically you might want to create a fairly lightweight form and just use your mobile phone to code it during games. So that's it. That's the new custom forms. I hope you have fun using them, and please feel free to give me your feedback. Thanks very much.